Hey, what's going on? My name is Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com, and you are here because you're looking for a way to make money from home. What I'm going to be doing on this very short video is going over various ways you can make some income from the comfort of your home. And at the end, I'm going to go ahead and go over what my number one recommended way is. All right, so there's many different ways to go about making money from home. Some of these are affiliate marketing, network marketing, coaching, trading, blogging, or podcast sponsorships, e-commerce, or selling goods and services, and freelancing. And I'll just touch just a little bit about each one. So affiliate marketing is where you are able to market someone else's products. Like you did not need to create the product, but because they want help going out and promoting it, you can go out and you can market their products and get a commission for it, earn a commission for it. So Amazon, for example, does affiliate marketing, uh, and many companies have affiliates where you could actually go and promote their products, and they will pay you when you make a sale. Network marketing, or MLM, multi-level marketing, is similar, where you are marketing a product you did not create, but the difference is instead of being paid on just the sale or maybe a second level, it's multiple levels, meaning you can leverage other people's efforts uh, within your team. So uh, that is a very simple, very affordable way for you to start earning some money from home. Coaching, you need to know a little something. So you can coach other people on different skill sets. Perhaps you are good at uh, whatever it is you're good at. Maybe you're an expert at video or something. I don't know, and you want to coach. So that's an option. Trading is just like forex, cryptocurrency trading. Uh, Binary options are just some examples of that. Blogging, you can set up a blog and write about your passion, provide content. Blogging does take some time to get going, but it can bring in leads and it can produce income. E-commerce is like having an Amazon store or a Shopify store. You're selling products, uh, and then freelancing is just doing jobs that people need you to do. So those are some of the ways. I could also add on there like CPA marketing, which is cost per action marketing. So sometimes you'll see people that like you'll see surveys, and you fill out the survey, you get a certain something for that. That's CPA marketing, where somebody is getting paid for an action that's being taken. So the action being taken in this example would be a survey. Okay, so I'm going to move on. Uh, so I'm going to go over what I'm doing to earn income. Now, if I back up one, if we look at affiliate marketing, network marketing, and trading, okay, I do blogging as well, but my number one and number two are right here: affiliate marketing and network marketing. And the reasons I like those is because, for one, with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create the product. Network marketing, you don't have to create the product. It's already created for you. And it's really just a matter of sharing it with other people, learning very simple skills and sharing it. Now, affiliate marketing typically doesn't have the amount of leverage that a network marketing company will have. So what I'm doing right now is, when you look below this video and you see I have various links below this video. I have a mix of affiliate marketing offers where if you purchase a product, I will earn a commission from that product. Or I have the number one link is a network marketing company where there are multiple levels you can get paid on. And the reason I decided to do this is because, one, it's very affordable. It's under $100 to get started. the way the compensation plan is built, it is built to help you earn. And I'll explain that on the next slide. But you can really leverage from the efforts of other people. You can leverage the time from other people. So by doing less, you actually make more. So that's pretty cool. The products teach you, in this particular offer, the products teach you how to create an alternate income. Remember, I talked about trading. Well, the products within this program, this opportunity, actually teach you how to make money without having to go out and talk to people. It's trading. They teach you how to trade. And they give you trade alerts, basically telling you exactly what to do, when to buy, when to sell, all of that fun stuff. And then they teach you what to do, right? So you can create your own income multiple ways. Connecting with a powerful team. Now, this is really important for anybody that wants to do anything that involves working with other people, to be around other people that are leaders, that are doers, that are action takers, that are making things happen, that have a vision, that are providing resources, marketing systems, team training, celebrating the team. These are so valuable when it comes to you. If you were to get started with a company, an opportunity, this is a definite. This is something you definitely want to do. And with this particular opportunity, we have not one, but two very powerful teams that we can leverage from, use their team resources, and that really makes a difference. Speaking from my own experience, where I do have my own private training and everything that I do, it's a lot of work. So when you can leverage that from someone else, that is very powerful. And the fifth thing on here is timing. Timing is huge. Now, while you could start an opportunity at any time, it doesn't matter when you start it, you could go and have success, but timing does matter. So at the time of making this video, right now, the world has changed. The world has changed. People are home more so than they've ever been home. I'm not sure what the numbers are exactly today, but I know over 6 million people have filed for unemployment in the United States. So there is a tremendous need for people that are looking for a way to earn some extra income, or actually earn income, period. And they, first of all, they need it to be affordable. They need to have training so they know what to do. They need to have products that are going to help them, right? And you really want to have leverage. You don't want to do it all on your own. So one of the downfalls of affiliate marketing is, if you're doing straight affiliate marketing, is you make a sale, you get a commission. There is no leverage built into it whatsoever. It's just you make a sale, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing. Now, you can have a second level where you can get a piece of that person's commission as well, like the person you bring in, but that's about as far as it goes. But with network marketing, multi-level marketing, you get paid multiple levels deep. So it doesn't matter how far away that person comes in. Like, you can get paid on that. And that really makes a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next slide. Now, what are the numbers? For this particular opportunity, I'm going to break down the numbers. And I just want you to look at the very top. Okay, the very top, rank 1, is you need to share this with 3 people and have 3 people become customers with you with the product. So they want to learn how to use they want the product that we have. And the product we have teaches people how to make money, an alternate way to make money, i.e. trading. And so you get 3 people and the membership is free. So you refer 3 customers and you no longer have to pay the membership. Remember, I said that the starting cost is very affordable. It's under $100. So to start your own business that can pay you many, many times over, it's only $99, and you only refer 3 people. That is absolutely incredible. But where this really starts getting exciting, remember I told you, keep Keep that number, those 3 people in mind, because that's all you need. So as we move through these numbers here, all you need is 3 people to be able to get paid. Now, am I saying you're going to get paid all of this? I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is you have 3 people that qualifies you to start having people get paid from other people. Okay, so I'll just go through this. Rank 2 is 10 people. 10 people. And that's going to pay you $500 monthly. Now, what's exciting about this is once you reach these 3 people, let's say these 3 people go ahead and bring in 3 people each. Let's just say they do that. Okay, what would that be? That would be 9 people. So you brought in 3, they brought in 9, that's 12. Now you're at $500 monthly. Just like that. Just like that. I don't know how long it's going to take you to do that. Income disclaimer, right? Like, I don't know how long it's going to. It depends on your skill set. It depends on your mindset. It depends on, are you coachable or not? There's a lot of variables that go into it, but this is absolutely doable. And I actually did this in my first 7 days. Okay. Now, let's move to the next one. 25 people. This is rank 3. 25 people. Now, 25 people, again, that is not you referring 25 people. That is not you sharing this with 25 people and having them come and become customers under your link. What this is 25 people total from your team. So that could be above you. That could be within your team. So as you can see, these things can really start adding up very quickly. There's a lot of leverage built in. It might take you a little bit of time to get up and running, but because of our team, like I said, team resources are very important. You want to have a powerful team. Because our team provides marketing systems, because our team does live training very frequently, because our team does daily presentations where they're sharing the opportunity, where you don't have to do that. You just invite people to do that and they do that for you. And just there's a ton of other resources as well. What happens is people get plugged into this and they start bringing people in. They start referring customers, and it just starts growing. Okay, so I'll just go through these numbers real quick. I'm not going to really stay on these too long. But rank 3, I like to just really focus on these first 3 ranks because just $500 or $1,000 a month is a big deal for a lot of people. I mean, I know a lot of people are waiting for government checks right now to help out, and those are like $1,200 an adult in the United States and $500 a child. So this right here, if you have that monthly, that's like one of those checks over and over again. Okay, but let's move on. Let's go to the next one, $2,000 monthly. Okay, could that help? Now we start getting into the bigger numbers. Okay, only 250 people. Remember, you don't have to refer these people. These could come from anywhere. That's $5,000 monthly. 500, you're at $10,000 monthly. 1,000, you're at $20,000. And we have people that are reaching here within 40 days. Within 40 days, okay? Again, people doing this, they're working very hard to do this. They're making things happen. They know what they're doing. They're making some sacrifices. You know, they're really, really focused. For rank 8, we're at 50,000 monthly, and rank 9, we're at 100,000 monthly. Okay, so that's really about all I wanted to go over in this video. This is my #1 recommended way for you to start earning income that will actually make a difference to you and your family. As you can see, it's pretty much unlimited. You can go as big as you want to go, and our product teaches you how to earn as well, so you can even earn more there. But if you want more information about this, you like what you see, you want to learn more about it, go ahead and click the link right below this video. And it's going to take you, like, you're going to have to put your email in, but it's going to take you to a page that has 3 videos that are going to go more in depth into this opportunity, and you'll have an opportunity to get started right there. If you have any questions or you just want to connect with me, I'm more than happy to do that. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and make it a great day.